All right, I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna fire this thing up and see if, cold start, see if she'll do it. I say cold start, but it's pretty hot in here right now. But let's see what she's gonna do. She don't sound too bad. Oh, let me show you this. So, for anybody who hasn't actually seen one of these before, if you can hear the motor, so you take it out, it's in park right now, it won't roll. So you take it out of park, it's in neutral, put it in gear. Then you got drive, 2, 1. So I'll do it without talking so you can hear it. See? To put it in park, you can either go straight like that, or you can have it in gear, and then to put it in park, you can put it in neutral and then do that. So it's pretty cool. I mean, I like driving this. It's very unique. But my problem being here that I was telling you about is that my wipers here, it's actually loose. And I'm thinking I'm going to go in from back here to be able to get to it. Because, I mean, I can still turn it, as you can see, and not having to hold it. See? But, it's just loose. So I was just going to figure out what I'm going to do with that. Try to tinker with it a little bit, see what's what. But, yeah, this car is doing pretty good. It's only got 76,045 miles on it. Reason I can say that because the armrest is good, like Vice Grip Garage. Look, the brake, because it's a different gas pedal, but the brake pad is not wore out. I don't know if you heard me, but I was saying the gas pedal's been changed, but brake pad's not wore out, so it's pretty good. So, all right, appreciate y'all watching. If you enjoy it, subscribe. Like. My videos are going to be all over the place. They won't just be of the car. It'll be whenever and whatever I feel like recording, really. So, hope you tune in. Stay joined.